What is Resource Dictionary in WPF? Resource Dictionary in WPF helps you to manage styles, templates, and other resources in one place. They allow you to centralize your styles, making your app scalable and easy to maintain. You can even split them into separate files and reuse them across multiple windows. Keep your XAML clean and organized with Resource Dictionary. User control or custom control. Which one you should use in WPF? It's a major question. A user control is a great quick combining existing control into a reusable component, while custom control is used for creating a complete new control from scratch with its own look and feel. Use user control for faster development, but go with custom control when you need more flexible and customizing thing.